would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know.
Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Yvonda if you are new here, and in this video it's all about budgeting and organization. So guess what? We are starting in the Dollar Tree. We've all been there when money has been tight, unless you were born rich. But anyway, since I was not, I've been there, had to go grocery shopping right at the Dollar Tree. Who would have thought? But most of their products are name brand, taste good, and listen, you can't beat it for a buck. So do what you gotta do. Hey, no shame, no game. Just go get your boogie, go get your groceries.
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down, down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go.
Okay, so if you are on an extreme budget, money tight, you know, hey, you know, we all done been there. This is some example of some of the things that you can get at Dollar Tree. So this is my Dollar Tree grocery haul. Just a few things I picked up, but I have done a lot of shopping and bought most of these things before. Actually, I bought all this stuff before from Dollar Tree. So I just figured this time I would show you guys that you can actually shop at the Dollar Tree and this stuff actually tastes good. They sell meat and fish and stuff. I ain't never bought any of that stuff, so I can't say how that would taste, but hey, when times is hard, do what you gotta do. But anyways, let's get into the grocery haul. So I love their chocolate chip cookie mix by Betty Crocker. And then these my daughter puts in her lunchbox. She said it tastes pretty good. And So it's not bad. It's Mountain Trail Mix, a blend of salted peanuts, raisins, M&Ms, salted almonds, and salted cashews. And then this is 2 packs of broccoli cheddar rice, North size. These are good. Make those as a side dish. This is some gum. My son's dentist recommended this particular gum to increase saliva production, help with his teeth, and all of that stuff. This has become my favorite snack. I started eating these when we did the Daniel fast. This is freeze-dried apple slices. It's just plain apples, nothing else. Nothing else in it. Yep, apples. There it is. So I have 4 packs of those. I love those things. And this is spinach. I usually saute this. It's really, really good. It's just regular spinach. And then I have 4 of those. And we have 3 of the peppers. This is so much cheaper than buying bell peppers and cutting them up. That's what I usually do, and then freeze them. But these are already cut up. So this has onions, red and yellow and green bell peppers. And this is some fluoride rinse because the dentist said that he needed to start using fluoride because our water is well and it doesn't have fluoride in it. This here is 3 flags that I got for outside. They are really, really cute. I got this one for springtime. It says keep life simple, has little gnomes. And then, of course, my favorite chickens, our farmhouse. That's really cute. And then I thought this one was cute, Home Sweet Home, and it has lemons and the little buffalo check print. And then, of course, my favorite animal, cow, farmer's market, and a little tractor. Thought that was cute. Uh-oh, I knocked it over. And then some Ziploc bags, and this is the Flex and Seal 16 count sandwich bags. Supposed to be able to stretch them. And then this here is some air freshener. No one in my house smokes. I got this because it actually smells good, and I keep this at work because when I have patients that come in, because Lord knows veterans like to smoke, a lot of them, and they be having my office smelling terrible, and the girl got asthma, can't be having all that. And then I got some jasmine rice, self-explanatory, and some saltine crackers. Those are for tonight because I'm about to make a gumbo. And then I got just 1 can of the coconut milk. I always buy this because this is the coconut milk I use. You've seen me use it in other recipes, and it's really good, and it's $1. And then, of course, my Splenda, or their version of Splenda, for my coffee because I don't put sugar in my coffee. All right, so this is my grocery haul from Dollar Tree. And everything, I think, was like $28. But that's because I got extra stuff, that's non-food items and stuff like that. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next one. And welcome back to my channel. So we are going to do a clean out this refrigerator because it's a whole hot mess. I'm cleaning out the refrigerator. It's 9:15 at night. I do some backward stuff, but anyways, let's get started. I was going to do the freezer as well, but I'm running short on time. I don't feel like being up all night. I got to work in the morning. But I really need to do this refrigerator, throw out some old food, clean it out because it's probably gross, all of that. So let's get to it.
I feel better on the weekend. Give my life a better meaning. Let me stay where I'm in phase. I feel better on the weekend. I feel better on the weekend. Give my life a better meaning. Let me stay where I'm in phase. I feel better on the weekend.
I came in. I know you wanna get to know me. But honestly, I came with my girls, wanna dance by ourselves. Can't you tell? Baby, baby, I have thick skin. Yeah, I don't let things get to me. But do you want me to spell it out for you right now? I'm not feeling your vibe. Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear. Cause when I get mad, I cannot control what might happen. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I think you're messing with the wrong girl. I bring the thunder, haven't you heard? But honestly, I just wanna dance with my girls here tonight. No man by our sides. Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear. Cause when I get mad, I cannot control what might happen. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. Boy, you better sit down, you just shut your mouth. Cause I don't need a man to make me feel fine. Better sit down, you just shut your mouth. Yeah. You better sit down, you just shut your mouth. Cause I don't need a man to make me feel fine. Better sit down, you just shut your mouth. Yeah. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. Yeah.
You know that I can't seem to focus when you're getting close to me. We're like a broken record spinning round and round all year. I know that I can't do more. I know that you feel the same. Why do we keep playing all of these games? I don't wanna go, cause your love is what I want, babe. You know that I wanna stay this way forever. I wanna stay up all night with you. No games to play, just wanna stay up all night with you. I know that it won't be easy, maybe we're just too alike. I wanna stay up all night with you. You know my friends think that I'm crazy, cause you're all that I can see. I hope that we will make it, cause I'm falling here for real. You know that I can do more, just wanna care for you, babe. Why we keep on playing all of these games? I don't wanna go, cause your love is what I want, babe. You know that I wanna stay this way forever. I wanna stay up all night with you. No games to play, just wanna stay up all night with you. I know that it won't be easy, maybe we're just too alike. I wanna stay up all night with you. Up all night with you. life, we just gotta hold on tight. Cause I know we will be alright, babe. You know that I will miss you if you leave. Cause I love you for the rest of my life, babe. I wanna stay up all night with you. No games to play, just wanna stay up all night with you. I know that it won't be easy, maybe we're just too alike. I wanna stay up all night with you. Up all night with you.
You had me at hello. Cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride out of the blue.
I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you.
Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you.
Oh, oh.
Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of time. And you,
I got you.
and you got me too. We can always make it through.
What we do is what we do.
I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared.
You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you.
Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you.
Oh, oh.
Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of time. And you,
I got you.
you got me, got me. You got me, got me.
And this ain't all Pinterest worthy, but hey, because it's real life. Look at the stuff up there. But we're going to ignore that. And we're going to focus on the outside of the refrigerator is clean. I did not update the meal plan. Listen, a girl will get to that. I don't even know what I'm cooking tomorrow for dinner. But anyways, let's see the refrigerator. So, this ain't Pinterest worthy, but it's clean. And it's a little bit more organized than what it was. So, I'll take it. Dun-dun-dun. See, clean. Gotta have your beverage container. And my husband and all his sea moss. I don't know about all that, but whatever. Eggs. And that's like fruit stuff for the kids, plus butters in there, because I ain't know where to put it. Leftovers, because this is real life. That is for vegetables, and this is for cheese and meats. And that's a little spot for leftovers, which we got some gumbo right here that need to go in the refrigerator so I can have lunch for tomorrow for work. So listen, real life, let's make it straight, make it pretend like it's Pinterest. Alrighty, so Freezer not done. That's for another day because I'm about to shower and go to bed because I got work in the morning. That's a whole hot mess. We just gonna close that like we don't see it. Okay guys, so I hope this video gave you some inspiration to get things done. You can have things clean and organized without them having to be Pinterest worthy or whatever. You don't have to compare or judge your life to anyone else because this is real life. Like I showed you, the top part of my refrigerator isn't clean. I didn't get to the what's that thing? The freezer, but that's for another day. Like I said, there's always tomorrow as long as the Lord give you strengthen your body to see another day. But anyways, so I just hope this video gave you a little bit of inspiration to get things done. You know, it's not always fun, it's not always pretty, but it's things that need to be done. And also the first part of this video, you know, we all done been there. Unless you was born super rich, we all done been there when money has been tight and you don't know what you're gonna do. Remember, you can grocery shop at the Dollar Tree. I done it. I eat stuff, most of it's name brand, tastes good, and you know, I'm still alive, it ain't killed me, so hey. But anyways guys, I really do appreciate you watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I really do appreciate you. I appreciate everyone who has commented, everyone who has gave us a thumbs up, share our videos, you know, and all of that. I appreciate you, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys. Thanks for stopping by the Happy Hill Homestead. Please like, comment down below, and share our channel and help our family grow.